Hello YouTube, this is Keithra and I'm back here with another video today. Today this video is going to be on how to do box braids, and as you can see I have a full head of hair right here. This is actually Brittany's hair, my sister's hair, and I'm going to be doing box braids on her hair today. So if you want to know how to do box braids, and if you want to know how to style box braids, continue looking at this video and ask any questions at the bottom in the comments. Thank you. Hey you guys, this is the hair that we're using today. We're going to be using the light hair, color number 2. And what kind you want, Brie? You want small or large? Big, and she wants the big braids. Okay you guys, and here what I do is I part the hair and I blow dry the hair out until it's good enough for me for it to be managed. And then I go in for the natural hair. The natural hair, people, the healthiest way to get box braids is that you twist the hair. I twist it before I actually put the weave on the braid. I mean her hair, her real hair. Hi you guys, and this is how it's looking so far. I attach it and then I just keep braiding on down, making sure the hair is nice and flat and shiny. And what I use is the Jamaican castor oil. I put that on her hair before I blow dried it out. Okay you guys, and I'm done with this one braid. Go all the way down until it gets skinny. Around the one, I see the sun come up in the morning, let it shine. Girl, you're fading, fading. Girl, you're fading. And this is how it's looking so far. And then make sure when you pull them up, they're tight. Guys, this is actually day 2. I have to start on her hair the next day because we ran out of hair. And so right now I am just boiling it. I'm boiling the hair, and then I just dried it. Come in the light, homie. Okay, that's enough, Brie. Hello, you guys, and this is the ending results. Got it all shiny and stuff. I see that deep pain, so easy to blame, yeah. She got waist length box braids. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.